Indian economic updates. India has achieved a major milestone in defense technology with the successful demonstration of a 30-kilowatt laser weapon system developed by DRDO. Tested at the National Open Air Range in Kurnool, the high-powered directed energy weapon can neutralize drones, missiles, fixed-wing aircraft, and electronic systems. The system, developed under the codename Sahastra Shakti, marks over a decade of research and is now ready for production, with full deployment expected within 2 years. Initiated in 2012 with a focus on indigenous capability, the program positions India among an elite group of nations, including the US, China, and Russia, that poses advanced laser-based defense systems. The laser weapon is designed for integration across multiple military platforms and is a key step in modernizing India's defense with cutting-edge, non-kinetic technologies. The Indian government has carried out continuous work across the country over the past decade in sectors such as roads, electricity, water, education, and health. Uttarakhand, too, has steadily benefited from the vision and initiatives of the Government of India. Projects worth 18,000 crore rupees to be inaugurated and launched in Uttarakhand. Under the Delhi-Dehradun Economic Corridor, the foundation stone is being laid for a 189-kilometer-long, 6-lane expressway from the Eastern Peripheral Expressway junction to Dehradun, to be built at a cost of 8,500 crore rupees. With this expressway, the distance between Delhi and Dehradun will be reduced by 25 kilometers, and the travel time will decrease from 6 hours to just 2.5 hours. The construction of this expressway will make connectivity between Uttarakhand and the National Capital Region easier and faster, thereby promoting various economic and commercial activities in the state. Along with this, employment opportunities will increase rapidly, further boosting the state's economic and business activities. Under the Delhi-Dehradun Expressway project, the foundation stone is also being laid for a 51-kilometer-long greenfield alignment from Haridwar to the beach area, at a cost of 2,100 crore rupees. To strengthen connectivity between villages, towns, and highways, the foundation stone is being laid for a 15-kilometer-long, 4-lane greenfield road from Manoharpur to Kongri under the Haridwar Ring Road project, with an estimated cost of 1,560 crore rupees. To further strengthen connectivity with neighboring states, the foundation stone is being laid for the route from Dehradun to Paonta Sahib in Himachal Pradesh, to be built at a cost of 1,695 crore rupees. Additionally, under National Highway 119, the foundation stone is being laid for the widening of a 15-kilometer road between Najibabad and Kotdwar at a cost of 108 crore rupees. These roads will bring significant improvement in connectivity within Uttarakhand and its border areas. They will promote local industries and commercial activities, and also encourage the state's tourism industry. In Haridwar district, a medical college is being constructed at a cost of 538 crore rupees. With the construction of this medical college, citizens of Dehradun, Haridwar, the Garhwal region, as well as neighboring districts of Uttar Pradesh, will benefit from high-quality medical facilities. In Dehradun, work is being carried out on projects worth 724 crore rupees to improve water supply, roads, and drainage systems for public convenience. This project will benefit a population of approximately 2.5 lakh people. Under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's resolve for the development of the Char Dham, centers of faith for Hindus across the world, foundation stones are being laid for works worth 220 crore rupees in Badrinath Dham and 54 crore rupees in Gangotri and Yamunotri Dhams. The objective of these projects is to develop Badrinath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri Dhams as smart spiritual towns. In Tehri district, as an alternative to the world-famous Lakshman Jhula Bridge, the foundation stone is being laid for a new bridge approximately 133 meters long, at a cost of 69 crore rupees, in keeping with its importance and dignity. This bridge will be highly beneficial for tourists as well as local residents and business establishments. To make Dehradun city child-friendly, a child-friendly city project is being launched at a cost of 58 crore rupees. Under this project, children from 34 schools located along 6 identified major routes will benefit from safe transportation. 7 key projects and completed works are being inaugurated. On the Yamuna River, a 120 megawatt capacity Vyasi hydroelectric project, constructed at a cost of 1,777 crore rupees, is being inaugurated. This project will generate approximately 350 million units of electricity annually, which will be supplied to the northern grid. This will further strengthen power supply in Uttarakhand. The project will also create a large number of employment opportunities at the local level. Under the Char Dham All-Weather Road project, road widening works and treatment of landslide-prone areas at various locations on National Highway 58 have been completed. The total cost of these works is approximately 689 crore rupees. As a result, the Char Dham Yatra has become more convenient and safer, and local residents have benefited greatly. To promote the conservation and enrichment of the rich cultural, artistic, and theatrical heritage of Uttarakhand and the Himalayas, the Himalayan Culture Centre built in Dehradun at a cost of 67 crore rupees is being inaugurated. At the Aroma Plant Centre in Dehradun, 6 new state-of-the-art laboratories built at a cost of 40 crore rupees are being dedicated to the nation. With the establishment of these laboratories, local agricultural research related to aromatic plants will receive a boost, further strengthening the government's resolve to increase farmers' income. Over the past 11 years, India has experienced significant transformation. From bustling metropolitan cities to the emerging urban centers, the country's infrastructure and connectivity has expanded multifold sectors such as civil aviation, railways, highways, ports, power, and more. By establishing a strong foundation for a future-ready India and immense economic potential, Assam is not only a place of mysticism and tradition, but also a vibrant hub of innovation, enterprise, and sustainable development. Nestled in the heart of Northeast India, Assam stands as a gate to ASEAN and Southeast Asia, offering boundless opportunities for global investors. With robust transportation networks, including rail, waterways, and state-of-the-art bridges, Assam ensures seamless access to global markets. Inspired by the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Viksit Bharat and the Honorable Chief Minister's guide over the past few years, Assam has experienced unparalleled growth. The state's infrastructure is a true testament to progress, with roads and bridges connecting every corner, advanced transport systems, educational institutions and skill development centers are empowering the people, paving the way for a brighter future. With medical advancements like cancer care hospitals developed in partnership with Tata Trusts and a network of medical colleges, Assam is setting benchmarks in healthcare and innovation. The state has been a pioneer in producing natural gas and petroleum in the country. The first biorefinery producing fuel-grade ethanol from bamboo has also been established in Nomaligarh, paving the way for a dynamic and sustainable future. The state is celebrating 200 years of its rich tea legacy. It continues to seek advancements in other emerging sectors like fragrances and flavors, aerospace and defense, electronics and semiconductors, hydrocarbons and renewable energy, exquisite handicrafts, and 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Tourism in Assam is a celebration of heritage, culture, beauty, and unity. This cultural legacy, combined with a growing pool of skilled manpower, is shaping a future where the state is poised to lead in all fields ranging from technology to sustainability. A stable government is the backbone of economic prosperity, from ease of doing business to simplified approvals and seamless land allocation. Assam provides an investor-friendly ecosystem that ensures a smooth and transparent path for growth. With its sights set on the future, Assam is creating opportunities for the world to come and explore its vast potential. This is a state ready to leap into a new era of global partnerships and sustainable growth. India has demonstrated on the world stage its commitment to environmental protection. In the year 2016, the Government of India decided to propone the implementation of Bharat's emission standards by a year to April 2020 to demonstrate this commitment. It is proposed to introduce BS6 fuel by April 2020, which is equivalent to the Euro 6 standards. Refineries are undergoing massive upgradation. They are on target to meet the ambitious deadlines to provide clean fuel. The sulfur content in petrol and diesel under the BS6 standard is lower by 5 times and reduces the environment pollution significantly. ONGC MRPL's BS6 upgradation project is one such initiative of the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas that enables it to produce BS6 auto fuels and caters to domestic demand. Executed at an expense of Rs 1829 crore, this project has generated 2,343,771 man-days of employment. The dedication of the BS6 upgradation project marks another significant stride in India's journey toward global leadership in environmental protection. India's dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat calls for a self-reliant nation that does not depend on others for its sustenance and development. Refineries processing crude oil and producing auto fuels to meet the energy needs of the nation play a vital role in fulfilling this dream. To reduce MRPL's dependency on rainfall, it initiated Karnataka's first seawater desalination project at Tannirbhavi, Mangalore, executed at a capitalized cost of Rs 677 crores. This project has generated 360,948 man-days of employment. This plant produces 30 million liters per day of desalinated water, conserving fresh water resources. The uninterrupted production of supplies of auto fuels and petrochemicals needed for the growth of the economy is now ensured through this landmark project. With the dedication of this project to the nation, India has advanced another step on its path toward Atmanirbhar Bharat.